Hey traders, Stan here and welcome to the weekly outlook, which I decided to do on my YouTube channel, on a TradingView as well. So let's go. Currently we have two trends in the market. The first is a little bit of easing on the geopolitical front. So we see commodity prices declining. Crude oil is at 96, WTI futures. We see gold, palladium, platinum moving lower, and that's actually a good sign for the economic recovery probably. So markets are forward looking, so they anticipate probably a peaceful resolution of the situation of this conflict between Russia and Ukraine. So let's hope for the best. Maybe some agreement will be found this week or maybe early next week. Also, this week is a week of Fed, so interest rate decision of Federal Reserve will be published this week. So we will see whether it is one-step hike or a two-step hike. So we don't know that exactly, but probably when Jerome Powell will hold a speech, markets may see some kind of support. So now let's go to charts and I will show you how exactly I'm going to play these situations. And let's go. All right, currently there are three ideas on the list. So first of all is a short position for Bitcoin, which I initiated at the end of last week. So we see that consolidating right now a little bit below 39,000. But if you see what I'm showing here, it's the pullback from the dynamic resistance area, which is a combination of 20 and 50-day moving averages. So I believe that we can have a slide towards 36,000, maybe even lower. And after that, it might start rebounding. So why am I thinking that? Because still we are in the downtrend. So technically that it is easier for the asset to move down towards the nearest support before. And actually after that, we might see some buying pressure stepping in. That's what usually is happening. So also that's the dynamics of Nasdaq, which I believe will happen in the market. So we probably will see some market shifting down ahead of Fed. So as we see sentiment remaining to stay negative. So and after that, in case Powell will say something specifically positive, so probably market can rebound. Because as you see, so it stands right above the support area. So that's a little bit of a wide area. And so market is moving for already the third day or even fourth day in a row. So probably we are somewhere at the end of the swing. So and the pivot point might be found soon. Well, of course, there is a minor probability that Fed will say something really hawkish. So maybe a 2 or 3 step hike will happen, but I don't believe in that scenario. At least none of traders believe in that scenario, because if you take a look at the probabilities of interest rate hike for the upcoming meeting, derived from the federal funds futures, so you will see that we have the probability, or at least perceived probability, of one step hike at a 99% level, 99.8% to be exact. So which means the traders really don't believe in the two-step hike, because otherwise the market will sink. Because with that escalation of geopolitical tensions, so it would be deadly for the market to see the two-step hike. So and another one, so as markets are kind of positive towards defensive assets like American dollar versus Swiss franc, for example, so we might actually see the reversal. So I don't believe that this move will be long enough. So probably we might see some pivot or shift once the market will reach some point. Well, probably it might be the new peak above 0.9474, but it may even find the peak below this level. So I'm carefully monitoring for any reversal patterns here near the peak, I mean near the previous peak for Swiss franc, and I also will monitor for some signs of buying pressure for Nasdaq near maybe 12,900 something. 600, sorry, 700 something. So I will monitor for that. And also I'm having the short position for Bitcoin right now with a target of 36,000. And this is it for today. So thank you for listening. See you later. Have a good trading week ahead.